jing pyrshah kablami ha kabayade but kajingte ya ka 5-star resort harut kapong Umiam bakin thopru ya ka dolanong lumpang deng na kaliang abilash baranwal deputy commissioner karib hoy mentakasngi ulapan shai ba na kaliang kishnong kimdan kanu ka jing pyrshah ha kabayade but ka project ban kaladur ya kapong Umiam kum kaway na kijaka jngok kai pirthei ka ba itanat haba crunch kilat pathai khobor minta ka janbet nakaliang UTC ka ribhoy u abilash baranwal ulaong ba ka district tourism promotion society kalakhat jingalang ye kinong yalam shnong na kishnong ba marjan ha ka than kum ka umbir maulendab Umiam bat kiwe ringkat ka MSPCB MECL tourist officer ka ribhoy kum juru ya kinong yalam ka Green Tech Foundation kibalakan tag man shimbenta ha ka jingalang Lingba katega jingyalang la penshairu hakabaya day but katega project shakitegi Shnong but kumju ru hakabaya day but kijingte haka dolandong lumpong deng but kumnu ka jingtmu jang ka sarkar but hakabaya day but katenda balapin mi dakatanat tourism nakaliang UTC ulapin tip bakatega jingyalang kalalong ka basayso wat laga jingkantat jang ka Green Tech Foundation ban shimbenta Henry nakaliang kishnong kikirshan ya katega project Khamtam hakabaya day but ka lumpong deng island hakaba omdan kanu ka jingte ka banne serta Henry on pindan kam de kitiar ki bala banweng hakanu ka por shu kishnong ru kila kerpat ru ban aikam ai jam ye ki khun samla but khamtam ka jingman toy jang ka Shnong lengba ka jingwan ka te ka project hakabaya day but ka jing sapryang jang ka khubor pomdeng halumpong deng island nakaliang uba ban nong ka ri tourism officer ka ribhoy district ulay thu ban nakaliang katanat tourism kalayo ka jing ujor halor ka jingdan ki briu ki belawan pomdeng ha ka te ka dolandong but marma lapha bullet sha ka te ka jaka balayo kem arnut ki briu but nakaliang katanat forest kan select ban tokit ya ka te ka jingdan ki briu bashim kabu ban let pet
kemudian pensyarah ni mula tikong kalau buat ni yang ke department ni yo complain dang mana kini men sajan ki dang yo ni nang yo phone call na state manager bakidan ki beriu ki bawan spok island ban pomdek tingi ru bot hing la pentip saka segi oksi jok yang police station ban mi iru bot hi la phai ki beriu di jongi bin pet ki beriu ba pomdek tingi ayo kam armut ki beriu hadin kini beriu ba ibu sibat hi bawan pom hadin melayap yo tu jing jo tu hadin pada bagi obat tuan ni pun pelak nyok pada je rasai kasir kondan ka jing token yang forest department ro stage pol lumpong island em ya kat kum ka jing tu ki dang ki obat no kepada ki obat shopping Khlem hi dieng je kamar rabun tang barang ta kadang ya inquiry ni tulit benal yang forest department kena mi rasai kasir pergi lepet
We had today called one meeting from District Tourism Promotion Society. We had invited all the stakeholders, starting from all the 5 Shnongs, Umber, Mollendep, Umiam, etc. And we had also invited MSPCB, MECL, Tourism Officer, of course, and Green Tech Foundation, who has been protesting against the project. However, Green Tech Foundation refused to participate. They did not really come to participate in the meeting. However, all the Shnongs were present, and we have explained everything to the Shnong. We asked them if they have been, we explained everything regarding the project, and they are in support of the same. And we also explained them the different contentious aspects which were regarding construction on Lumpondeng Island. And we explained them the stance of the government as well as the different aspects of the tender which has been floated by Tourism Department. So the outcome of meeting was quite productive. We were actually, to start with, we were disappointed with the with Green Tech's decision to not really come forward for the meeting. However, we had a very productive discussion with the Shnongs, and they have expressed support for the project going forward. And they also inquired about the construction part as far as the island is concerned. And we showed them the tender document, as I said. And they went very satisfied, knowing that no permanent construction can take place over there, even though the environmental norms of the country allow permanent construction to take place on islands within a particular restriction set. However, the government of Meghalaya, understanding the importance of environment and the environmental concerns of the people, in the tender document itself, they have clearly specified that any construction, so-called construction, or any erection on the Lumponding Island will only be of temporary nature, something which can easily be dismantled, which can easily be removed, and it cannot be of permanent nature. It can only be of some makeshift structures for temporary events, nothing more than that. So that specific information I do not really have. That was not really flagged by any of the Shnong also during the meeting. However, the Shnongs were requesting for being given preference in livelihood opportunities, and for which we assured them that this is something that will facilitate meeting with the tourism department also, so that they can air their concerns, and especially they can place their request to the department for livelihood opportunities. Now, no opposition from the village. In fact, they were very supportive of the government initiative. However, they just wanted more information on the same. And for that also, we have assured them that there would be meetings with the directorate as well. But in principle, they were quite supportive of the initiative, and they are in complete agreement with the government in its vision of developing Umiam as a world-class destination for tourists.